questions first. Okay.
Yeah,
Are you
sure. Yeah.
comfortable with writing code, right?
Yeah, I'm comfortable with writing code.
Okay, fine then. That will start with the simple questions. Mm, can you write a program for dynamic polymorphism?
In which concept?
Right, dynamic polymorphism. You have idea method overriding?
Yeah, I have the idea on method overriding.
Are you able to write a sample code?
Yeah, yeah. Shall I share the screen?
Yeah, you can share the screen and write.
If my screen is visible, right? Hello?
Yeah, Dinesh, I was asking.
Yeah, yeah, okay.
Okay, Dinesh. What is overriding? What you are trying to do here?
Actually, we inherit from the different classes. We use the inheritance concept over here. So there will be we use a common name as a company as a class name. We have the different methods. It will inherit from the parent class by calling from the main class. It
Dinesh,
will
one more thing, Dinesh, your voice was right. Little bit. Your mic
sorry.
was very near to right. Very near, right? Can you keep it
Okay.
some distance, right?
Yeah,
So
yeah,
that it will be very clear. Your voice was not clear.
yeah, yeah. Sure. Okay. Now
Okay, no,
it's okay.
yeah, it's fine now.
So what we will do means we will create the multiple different classes from the parent to child relationship classes. We will
Mhm,
call from the main class. By calling that, it will inherits from the parent to the child. So based on that calling method, it will be a call to the parent child class. So the scenario that scenario involves in the overriding concept.
mhm. Okay, okay. Here, what we are trying to do?
Actually, I'm creating the company as one of the class, and
Mhm.
I'm trying to inherit from the multiple classes, child classes.
You don't require multiple. All right, one parent, one child is fine.
Okay.
All right, this is a parent, right? Company
Sorry?
is that a parent class company?
It is a parent class.
Okay, you have a method or company, some method
I,
you have.
I
Then what
have
is the
read.
child class?
No, it's not yet created. I need to create.
Right, you should be in a very fast. Right, interviewer will not get that much time.
Yeah, okay.
Right, method overriding means what? You will have a one parent class, one child class. You will have a method in the parent class. You have to override in the child class.
Child class, correct.
Right, you should create two classes and the parent class, one method in the parent class. Right,
Yes.
you have to override. What is override? Same syntax, but
Yes.
body will be different.
Yeah, okay.
Right, while creating the object, how you will create object now, how you will call the, suppose I want to call the, right,
Come.
parent class method, how you will call it?
So I will create the object by using this class, like the company.
Uh-huh.
Shall I write this? Syntax.
You can.
Company. So I will create like this.
Mhm. But
The
suppose if I
class.
create a, right, how to establish a, right, a relationship between the parent and child?
So for that we have to use
Okay, still you did not return child class, right?
yes.
Okay, just copy parent class company, just quickly copy entire thing, right, paste below. Right, and right, change. Right, you can mark it as a child. Okay, okay. How you will make it? Okay, extends.
Uh, Child company. Shall I write this one?
No, no. You have to extend parent right here. This is the class child. You name it as a class child.
Yes, correct. So
Hmm.
we have to write the
Yeah,
company.
right.
So I have to name it as another name, right? So,
Child. You can create a child. Okay. Now, suppose come to cars class. Right now, right.
so I have
Can
to use this one,
suppose.
the class name as here for creating the
Mhm,
object.
mhm. How you will create?
Is this correct?
Okay, is that correct syntax? Correct only?
Yeah, yeah, it's correct.
Now, which method? If I call object dot car company, if I call object dot method name car company, right? Which method will call?
It will calls. We use the CMP means it will call the this one the parent class. If we call this CMP one means it will call this the child class level method.
Right. Here object creation is wrong. Right. You cannot create by using parent reference as the child, right?
Hmm.
Suppose if we take a WebDriver, right? How you will create a Selenium WebDriver instance?
We use the WebDriver interface driver equal to
WebDriver is
new.
the parent or child?
It's actually it is a parent like.
Suppose you can write down below that. I will tell you what you have done mistake. Right? How you will create? Great. You have created here. Here WebDriver is the parent. It.
Yes.
Here said, can you create Chrome driver equal to new WebDriver?
Yeah.
Are you able to create Chrome driver equal to Chrome driver equal to new WebDriver? Is it possible?
No, it's not possible.
Right. Above you have done what the same thing.
So this is the wrong syntax.
Right. Parent should be.
Yeah.
Right. You must be right. A simple mistake. We know everything, but the simple mistakes. Right. We must
Hmm.
be very careful. Right. But once you created like this, if we call object dot car company, which method will call? Parent class method or child class method?
It will call the child class method.
Mhm. Okay. Fine. Okay then. Yeah. Quickly. Right. Interview say it will not get almost right more than 10 minutes. Interviewers don't have that much time. Within
Yeah.
1 or 2 minutes, we have to finish it.
Okay.
Right?
Okay.
Very quickly. Then next one, okay. Let me share one compiler. Right. Sometimes interview they will share compiler directly. They will not nowadays they are not asking clips.
Okay.
Right. I ping you one compiler. Can you open it in this chat?
Yeah. I
Okay.
have okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Fine. Uh, can you write a program? Right. I have a string. Okay. Your name.
Okay.
All right. Okay. Now I want to count how many uppercase letters, and how many are small case letters, and how many are special characters.
Okay.
Are you able to write it?
I will try.
Yeah. You can.
So I use a string.
Hmm. You can take your name.
Okay.
String something. String name equal to your name. You can take it.
Mm.
Now what it will do? Name that character.
Actually, I'm speaking the single character.
Mm-hmm.
Like once first index is move is iterated, it will take the v as the string character,
Mm-hmm.
and I'm checking is upper class.
Is there any method in the string class?
Mm,
It will do what right you have written. What you are thinking it will do. It will verify whether it is uppercase or not.
no, actually, it changes the upper the character will be
Uh,
changed to upper class.
that is also two uppercase. Method name is two uppercase. That will change to uppercase.
So
Okay.
yeah,
Fine. You later you can check it how to achieve it. Right? You got question right? How many
yeah, I got it.
how many small characters? How many special characters? How many capital characters are there in a string?
Okay, okay,
Okay.
yeah.
Then one more question here only. We will. Are you able to count duplicate? Right. I want to print from your name duplicate character.
Hmm. Okay,
Can you try that? I want to print duplicate characters in your name. Right. What is V is only one. I don't want. E is duplicate. Right. I want to print it. R is not duplicate. A is not duplicate. I think only E is the duplicate. I want to print that.
so for that I have to use the collection instead of.
Hmm. Right. You can take the help of map.
No, I'm not well versed in the collection level.
Mhm. Definitely, we will get since this type of questions.
Okay.
Okay, suppose a simple question. We will go with your confidence level. We will check that. Okay, can you print in reverse? Simple, right? A
Yeah,
reverse order.
yeah, sure.
Okay, you can run. What it is.
Yeah, have you heard this thing?
Okay, done. Done, na? Okay, fine. Go. Okay, fine. Right. Then we'll jump into right quickly theoretical questions.
Okay.
Right. Uh, what is right the difference between checked and unchecked exceptions?
Sorry, I can't get you.
No, no. Exception handling. Do you have idea?
Sorry, which
E-
one you asked?
Exceptions. Java exception.
Exception. Okay, okay.
Right. Checked exception, unchecked exception. Do you hear about it? Those terminologies?
Yeah, I heard checked
Mhm.
and unchecked exceptions.
Okay. That's fine. And definitely we will get to one question on exception.
Okay, okay.
Okay, just refer those things. Okay, checked and unchecked exception. At least
Yeah.
what is exception, you should be in a position to explain why we will get exception. Right.
Mm,
What is
okay,
exception? How to handle exception?
okay.
Okay, fine then. Coming to Selenium, right?
Yeah.
Right. What is the stale element exception?
So state element exception basically, if there is no element, if there any new implementation is done, if the particular ID or the particular element is not available at the same position, so that time that the state element exception will be thrown.
How to handle it?
Uh, we can use. Sorry, I don't know.
Yeah, you can use right. When we will get the stale element, stale means that is a right old one. That means when it will happen, if you refresh the browser, suppose previously identified element will become stale.
Hmm.
Right, that is the scenario one. And also when you are clicking any button, right? Suppose if whenever you are clicking button,
Hmm.
whole page is refreshed again.
Okay.
Right. Then again previously identified element become again stale. In that case, what will happen? Suppose if you try to send it, suppose that you have
Hmm.
identified one element, then refresh. Refresh is happened after that.
Okay.
Then again, after that, you are trying to do send keys or click on that element. What will happen immediately? It will throw stale element.
Exception.
Right.
Okay.
What we have to do, we have to identify element again. That means in the try catch, we can use the exception handling there. Try and catch.
Mm-mm.
Right. In the
Okay.
catch block, we have to retry. We have to find the element again, and then we have to do it action on it.
Okay. So
Right. That is the one of
by using
the
the try catcher, we can handle that, right?
we can handle, or also retry mechanism. Right. Sometimes what will happen one time, second time also we will get stale element. Third time
Hmm.
maybe it will work.
Okay. Okay.
Right. In
Yeah.
those cases, retry mechanism. There also we have to use a try catch. Catch block, right? If you know the exception handling, you can handle it. That means whenever exception is occurred, catch block will execute. In catch block again, simple thing is you remember try block we will handle by using try and catch block. In the try block, if we get stale element, in the catch block, we will re-identify again try but
Hmm.
not find element. So we will re-identify element again and we will do the action.
Okay. Handling the exception.
Mm, by using try and catch, we can handle stale element. Now, one more question. Can you open Flip or Amazon.com?
Yeah.
Right. Now, can you type in the search box mobile?
Mobile. Okay.
Right. Now, can you write a locator to identify second option?
This one. Mobile desk.
Right. You got my question right? You want to
Yeah,
click on the
yeah.
second one. Right. Suppose I may ask into second or third, fourth, fifth. Right.
Okay.
Then first of all, how you will identify all the list? That is the one list. How you will identify that list? All elements. How you will identify?
We use find elements like.
No. First of all, we should know locator, right? Then we can go to code.
Okay.
Locator we should identify, right?
Yes, correct.
Right. What is the command? You can locate it. First of all, first one. Right. What is the? You can click on the arrow button and then click on it.
So this one class, this class,
Anything?
this
It
class
will.
is
It's not highlighting, right? That elements.
yes.
You have to identify first all the under which tags it is there. What are all those div tags? All are div tags. Open in Chrome browser. You have Chrome browser. Right. Before going to enter, close everything whatever open in the system. Okay.
Yeah, yes.
Before enter, don't open any other. So close everything.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah.
Now open Amazon. No. Okay. Okay. Now type mobile. Don't search it. Okay. Type and it's not good. No. Right. Let's do. Okay. Now inspect any one of the below. Right. What are these? These are all div tags. Let's see IDs. SAC suggestion row 1, row 2, row 3.
Yeah.
Right. By using that ID, right? Div ID is the SAC suggestion row. Right. You can identify. Right. ID contains SAC hyphen suggestion row.
Okay. So
Right.
by using
Div
this we can find that
we
one.
can get all the list. Then from that you can use the index. Suppose if I want to click on the second one, right? Index, you know, right? In the expert index, square brackets we can give.
Yeah, yeah, I know. Okay.
No,
So
you should not use the 3, 4, 5. And first we have to identify only contains. First you have
okay.
to use that right contains. You know how to use it. Right
Yeah, I
slash
know.
slash star square bracket contains. No, no, starting onwards.
Okay. Yes, yes, sure.
Right contains at the rate ID. You can give comma, right, SAC, and suggestion in the single quotes. Any mistake, that's it. SAC, no, no, not required. At the right ID. You have to give contains at the right ID. At the right ID.
ID.
No, you have given contains ID, right? Before ID, give the expert syntax what at the rate.
Okay.
Right, it identified all the following. Right, then you have to give right, not like that. Syntax is what two means is that square brackets you have to
Square
square
bracket.
brackets and then index square.
Square bracket. Okay. Yeah, I got
Right,
it.
like one index based like you can use it. Okay, fine
Yeah,
then.
yeah,
Right,
yeah, sure.
suppose I have one more scenario. You just close this developer console.
One second. Yeah.
Open the browser. Just open the browser. No, Amazon. You open
Selenium.
that only. This one close. Just okay. Remove this. Okay. Now below menus are there, right? You can mouse over on the any menu.
What is this one?
Not coming anything. Prime on the prime. You mouse over on the prime, and on the top only menu is there. Prime. Below MX player. Left side. New releases left side. Go right.
Okay.
Prime is there, right? Go left.
Prime. Okay, okay.
And right, your mouse over, right?
Yeah.
Once you mouse over, it is opening. I want to click on this giant right. Right, then how you will write the code?
By using the action class,
How you
use
will
the
create
mouse over.
object of it?
Sorry.
No, no. What is the syntax to create object for action class?
Actions. Action equal to new action method.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Next, what you will do?
In that we use that mouse over method by using the action dot mouse over function method.
Do you have mouse over method in the action class?
I'm not aware
Right,
of
we
that
don't have
one.
any mouse over. You have a move to element.
Not really. Okay.
Right, you should be in a basic concepts, right? Selenium basic concepts, you must be very confident about.
Yeah. Okay.
Right, you have to mouse over. That means if you want to do the mouse over, you have to move to element. Then once it is open, you can directly identify the locator of it and click. First, we
Yeah.
have to identify the locator of prime, and then by using the action class, we can move to element, and then secondly identify the giant prime button, and then click on it directly.
Yeah. Yeah. I understood.
Okay, fine then. Uh, Coming to next one, right here, suppose in the two tabs are there, right? You open one more Flipkart in the tab, right? Not here in the tab. Open the tab in the browser.
Okay.
Okay, here type Flipkart.com.
Right clicking. So.
No, no, just type Flipkart.com.
Oh, Flipkart.
Okay, fine. Now you have it. Two windows are opened, right? One is Amazon, one is Flipkart. Now I ask you to, right, based on input. If I give Amazon, you should let's switch to Amazon. If I give Flipkart, you should switch to Flipkart tab. How you will achieve?
You can use the handle.
You have to explain it, right? And not saying handle, not like that.
Uh,
How that you wanted to
we have
code in that.
we have the handle handle function by using the move forward and backward tab.
Mm-hmm. Handle, where it is the handle. I mean, which class I will have. Right. Here, Windows concept, how you will handle Windows concept, meta window handles. Right, go through it. Right, basic questions. Right, those are all basic topics. Right, you must be very confident.
Okay.
Right, basic concepts. Right, these are right. Interview they will ask more depth questions. Right, here basic first basic you are unable to explain. Right, they will move on. Right, we must be very confident on right basic topics. Right, that's fine. No
Okay.
issues. Whatever you know, right, you are confident about it. But
Hmm.
whatever you are right, I think maybe not. Still, you have to go through those topics.
Yeah,
Right,
yeah, sure. Yeah.
right. I'm stopping here.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, that now, right.